Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of Light, the God of Sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Art is learned by creation. Place, time, gifts, directing priest, hymn, and regulative principles is how to gain the favor of divinity. Divinity doesn't need worship, but it is us who need to render devotional service. Rituals for mere material goods is as an offense. Some strange birthmarks can identify future spiritual position. Gain an education before marriage, but it is better to get married young if you are to. Don't engage people in secular or mere material activity. There is a hierarchy of beings, and within types of beings. People with boyfriends or girlfriends bear the responsibility of what they do against family. Sometimes extreme measures must be taken to be alone. Serve divinity through creation. Rulers must undertake a variety of rituals. Spiritual life is not to neglect living creatures. Previous actions result in current opportunity. Constantly refine. The devotee is never to experience themselves as alone. Instruction can be seasonal, but needs to be allowed time. It is not always required to kill people for their blood to be offered. Some will be as intoxicated from consuming blood and playing with the remains or dismembering the corpses. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do that even on the battlefield, but place names may change with history. Material status can fluctuate beyond any expectations. Humanity is discovered when one encounters one in an inferior position. Faith should not be in rituals or deeds, but in who they are for, beyond modes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, all attractive, source of pleasure. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Green, black, purple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.